Hey everyone, today we're talking about two of my favorite things, healthy living and natural remedies. We're diving deep into the incredible world of your liver and blood vessels, exploring how to keep them clean and functioning optimally. Your liver is a powerhouse, working tirelessly to filter your blood, produce bile for digestion, regulate hormones, and so much more. It's the ultimate multitasker, essential for energy production, detoxification, and overall well-being. Keeping your liver healthy should be a top priority. A healthy liver means a healthier you. But just like any hard-working organ, the liver can become overwhelmed by toxins and stressors. That's where we come in, armed with the power of nature. Now let's talk about your blood vessels, the intricate network of highways that transport vital nutrients and oxygen throughout your body. These vessels are crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and circulation. Imagine your blood vessels as rivers. We want them flowing freely and clearly, not clogged and sluggish. Unfortunately, many factors can damage these vital pathways, leading to a buildup of plaque and an increased risk of heart disease. The good news is that we can combat these risks with simple, natural solutions. And that's where two of my favorite kitchen staples come in, garlic and onions. Before we delve into the incredible benefits of garlic and onions, it's important to understand the enemies we're fighting against. Our modern lifestyle often exposes us to a barrage of liver and arterial stressors, including processed foods, environmental toxins, alcohol consumption, and high levels of stress. These factors can lead to inflammation, oxidative stress, and the buildup of harmful substances in the body, compromising the health of your liver and blood vessels. But don't worry, there's hope. Nature provides us with powerful allies in the fight for optimal health, and garlic and onions are leading the charge. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and long history of medicinal use, is a true gift from nature. This culinary staple is packed with sulfur-containing compounds, the most notable being allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is a potent antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also exhibits remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in the liver and blood vessels. Garlic's benefits don't stop there. It has been shown to support healthy cholesterol levels, improve blood pressure, and even boost the immune system. Onions, nature's tear-jerking healer. Onions, often overlooked but equally potent, are another fantastic ally in the quest for a healthy liver and clean blood vessels. Like garlic, onions contain sulfur-containing compounds including quercetin, a powerful antioxidant with numerous health benefits. Quercetin has been shown to protect against heart disease by reducing LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, calming inflammation throughout the body. Onions also contain a good amount of fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion and detoxification. Fiber helps to keep things moving through the digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. The antioxidant powerhouse, combating free radicals. One of the key ways garlic and onions support liver and arterial health is through their potent antioxidant properties. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging, inflammation, and various diseases. Antioxidants, like those found in garlic and onions, neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting your body from their damaging effects. By incorporating garlic and onions into your diet, you're providing your body with a powerful defense system against free radical damage, promoting overall health and well-being. Detoxification, duo flushing out toxins. Another remarkable benefit of garlic and onions lies in their ability to support the body's natural detoxification processes. The liver is your primary detoxification organ, working tirelessly to filter toxins from your bloodstream. Garlic and onions contain compounds that activate liver enzymes, enhancing its ability to process and eliminate toxins. They also stimulate the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in detoxification. By supporting your liver's detoxification pathways, garlic and onions help to cleanse your body from the inside out, promoting optimal liver function and overall health. Beyond cleansing, additional benefits of garlic and onions. The benefits of garlic and onions extend far beyond cleansing the liver and blood vessels. These humble kitchen staples are packed with nutrients and compounds that can significantly boost your health in various ways. These nutritional powerhouses offer a wide range of additional health perks. From enhancing the flavor of your meals to providing essential vitamins and minerals, garlic and onions are truly versatile. First, they have antimicrobial effects. This means they can help protect your body from infections. Both garlic and onions possess natural antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes them excellent natural remedies for boosting your immune system and keeping illnesses at bay. Next, improved insulin sensitivity. Research suggests that garlic and onions may improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels and preventing type 2 diabetes. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to manage or prevent diabetes through diet. And finally, a reduced risk of certain cancers. The compounds found in garlic and onions have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. Studies have linked garlic and onion consumption to a lower risk of certain cancers, including stomach, colorectal, and prostate cancer. This makes them valuable additions to a cancer-preventive diet. Incorporating these versatile ingredients into your diet is a delicious and easy way to enhance your overall health and well-being. Whether you add them to salads, soups, or main dishes, the benefits of garlic and onions are undeniable and far-reaching. Incorporating garlic and onions into your daily diet. Today, we will explore the numerous ways you can seamlessly integrate these powerful ingredients into your everyday meals. Now, for the fun part, incorporating these potent foods into your daily routine. Garlic and onions not only add a burst of flavor, but also come packed with health benefits. The good news is, garlic and onions are incredibly versatile and can be easily added to a variety of dishes. From breakfast to dinner, these ingredients can enhance the taste and nutritional value of your meals. Start your day with garlic. It might sound unusual, but adding garlic to your morning routine can be a game changer. Add crushed garlic to your morning eggs, avocado toast, or even your smoothies for a flavor and health boost. The subtle heat and aroma of garlic can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. Or smoothies for a flavor and health boost. Spice up your meals. Garlic and onions can be the secret ingredients that elevate your culinary creations. Onions and garlic are staples in countless savory dishes, from soups and stews to stir-fries and roasted vegetables. Their robust flavors can turn any meal into a gourmet experience. Make your own salad dressings. Homemade dressings are not only healthier but also more delicious. Create flavorful and healthy dressings with olive oil, lemon juice, and minced garlic and onions. These simple ingredients can make a world of difference, and minced garlic and onions. Drizzle this over your favorite salads for a zesty and nutritious kick. Get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy the amazing benefits of these culinary superstars. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, garlic and onions can inspire endless culinary possibilities. A recipe for health: garlic and onion soup. This soup is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Looking for a delicious and nourishing way to enjoy the benefits of garlic and onions? These two ingredients are known for their immune-boosting properties and can help in reducing inflammation. Try this simple yet flavorful soup recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large onion, chopped 6 cloves garlic, minced 4 cups vegetable broth. These ingredients are easy to find and come together to create a hearty and satisfying meal. Salt and pepper to taste. You can also add other herbs and spices to enhance the flavor according to your preference. Instructions. 1. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. The olive oil adds a rich, smooth base to the soup. 2. Add onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. The onions should become translucent and release their natural sweetness. 3. Stir in garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. The garlic will add a robust flavor and aroma to the soup. 4. Pour in vegetable broth and bring to a boil. The broth will meld all the flavors together, creating a rich and savory base. 5. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to fully develop and the ingredients to soften. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning to your liking, ensuring the perfect balance of flavors. This comforting soup is packed with flavor and nutrients, making it a wholesome choice for any meal, making it the perfect way to warm up on a chilly evening. Imagine enjoying a bowl of this soup while wrapped in a cozy blanket, while supporting your liver and arterial health. This soup is not just food, it's a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Listen to your body, a call to action. Your body is constantly communicating with you, sending signals about its needs and imbalances. Pay attention to these signals and make choices that support your overall health and well-being. Incorporating natural remedies like garlic and onions into your diet is a powerful step towards cleansing your liver, improving your cardiovascular health, and enhancing your overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating garlic and onions into your meals today and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing content. Your support helps us grow and create even better videos for you. Thank you.